This 2019 Keystone Bullet 269 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 26 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 6 and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Bullet 269 RLS is 5,449 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.